If your Telegram account is showing an error, getting stuck while connecting, or refusing to let you sign in, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your account fast. This guide is perfect if Telegram is failing to load, login keeps timing out, or you're seeing an attempt limit message. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's start with the most common cause first, your internet connection. If Telegram is stuck on connecting, open another app or website and check whether your internet is working properly. If the connection feels slow or unstable, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if you're on a home network. A simple network refresh can solve a lot of Telegram login problems, especially when the app is unable to reach its servers. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may have running. Telegram can sometimes block or struggle to connect when a VPN is active, especially if the server location is restricted or the proxy is unstable. Go into your VPN app and turn it off completely. If you use a proxy inside Telegram, open Telegram settings and check the proxy section, then disable it as well. After that, close Telegram fully and reopen it. In many cases, this immediately clears the connection error and lets the app load normally. Now, if you're trying to log in and the usual method is not working, use the QR code login option instead. This is one of the fastest ways to get into your account. On the Telegram login screen, choose the login by QR code option. Then, open Telegram on the phone where you're already signed in, go to the device or settings area if needed, and scan the QR code with your active Telegram app. Once the code is scanned, the login should complete instantly without needing to wait for SMS or repeated verification attempts. This is especially useful if your account is having trouble on a new device. If you're seeing a message like too many attempts, the next step is to stop trying for a while. Telegram may temporarily limit sign-ins if there have been too many failed attempts in a short time. In that case, the best fix is to wait 24 hours before trying again. It may feel frustrating, but waiting is often the only way to clear that restriction. While you wait, avoid repeatedly pressing the login button because that can extend the problem. So to quickly recap, first, check your internet connection and restart your router or switch networks if needed. Second, turn off any VPN or proxy that could be blocking Telegram. Third, try logging in with a QR code from an already active Telegram session. And fourth, if you hit an attempt limit, wait 24 hours before trying again. If this tutorial helped you fix your Telegram account error, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.